Hello everyone. You all are most welcome in this History MCQ program where we will discuss about the objective questions for all competitive exams, and with this appeal that please first of all subscribe this channel and practice more and more, and share this video to all your friends so that they will get maximum benefit. Now we are going to start the History MCQ full practice set for IAS, PCS, NET, Group C, Army, Police, SSC, CGL, TET, B.Ed, LT, lecturers, other and various competitive exams. It is more and more benefited for all competitive students. So we are going to start. The first question we are getting, when was the Battle of Khanwa happened? A. 1527 and B. 1526 and C. 1556 and D. 1529. 1527, A, right answer. Proceed. Between whom was the Battle of Khanwa fought? Akbar and Hemu, Babar and Rana Sanga, Babar and Jaychand, Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. The right answer is Babar and Rana Sanga. Okay, proceed. What was the Gupta ruler called the silver coin? Rupaka, Panna. Right answer is Rupaka. Rupak. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate assumed the title of Ghazi? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Balban. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq is right answer. A. Who gave the slogan सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है? राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, इकबाल, भगत सिंह. Ram Prasad Bismil, A, is the right answer. Who was the ruler at the time of Chatur Buddhist Council, fourth Buddhist Council? A. Ashoka, B. Kalashok, C. Kanishk, D. Ajatasattu. Kanishk is the right answer. Kalashok, Ashok, Kanishk. Ajatasattu is the first, Kalashok is the second, and Ashok is the third, and Kanishk is fourth and last. In which year did Muhammad Ghori defeat Prithviraj Chauhan? 1192, 1195, 1194 and 1196. 1192 is the right answer. A. Who was the artist who made the peacock throne? A. Babad Khan, Ustad Ahmad Lahori, Isha Khan, Bhir Baki, Mir Baki or Bhir Baki. The real answer is Babad Khan. A is the right answer. What was the name of Gautam Buddha's father? Shuddhodhan, Alar Kalam, Prajapati. Shuddhodhan is the real answer. A. Which practice was abolished by Lord William Bentinck? Sati system, religious caste system. Sati system is the right answer. A. Who was the father of dual ruler in Bengal? Dwaj Shashan. Robert Clive, Ripon, Canning. Robert Clive A is the right answer. Which Mughal ruler allowed the British to open factories? Jahangir, Akbar, Humayun. Jahangir is the right answer. A. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of 1857 revolution? Canning, Lord Curzon, Bentinck. Canning is the right answer. A. Where is the tomb of Sher Shah Suri located? Sikandra, Sasaram, none of these. Sasaram is the right answer. B. Guru Ram Das was the spiritual teacher of which ruler? Tatya Tope, Shivaji, Shah Jahan, Sher Shah Suri. Shivaji is the truth. Right answer. B. Which ruler imposed jizya tax on Brahmins for the first time? Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Akbar. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Right answer. A. Shamsuddin Qamar was the last ruler of which dynasty? Maurya dynasty, Slave dynasty, Pallav dynasty, Gupta dynasty. Slave dynasty. B. Truth. When did the Portuguese capture Goa? 1510, 1511, 1505 and 1150. 1510 is the right answer. Almeida was the first Governor General of Portuguese. Next, who abolished the Dastak system? Lord Hastings, Lord Wellesley, Lord Curzon, Lord Canning. Lord Hastings is the right answer. A. What is the age of Gopat Brahman? Samved, Yajurved, Rigved, Atharved. What is the Ved of Gopat Brahmin? The real answer is Atharved. Ved. Gopat Brahman is associated with Atharved. The right answer is D. Which ruler assumed the title of Shiladitya? A. Kanishk, B. Kumardutt, C. Harshvardhan, D. Ashoka. Harshvardhan is also called Shiladitya. Which ruler built the temple of Khajuraho? Chandel, Gupta, Sung, Maurya. Chandel is the right answer. A. The prince of Mughal dynasty who was coronated twice. Aurangzeb, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Jahangir. Aurangzeb. A. Who founded the Adi Brahm Samaj? Devendranath Tagore, Swami Dayanand, Keshav Chand Sen, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Devendranath Tagore. A is the right answer. Who is called the Prince of Maniro? Muhammad Ghori, Muhammad bin Qasim, Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is the Prince of Maniro. In what style is the Kailash temple of Ellora built? Visara style, Nagar style, Dravidian style, Panchayatan style. Dravidian style. C. Kailash temple. Mulraj I was the founder of which dynasty? Pallav, Solanki, Sung, Shat. Solanki dynasty. B is the right answer. Which is the tallest pillar of Ashok? 6th, 7th, 9th, 5th. 7th. B is the right answer. Who founded the city called Tughlaqabad? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. None of these. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. A. In which century was the religion of Islam founded? 7th, 5th, 6th, 8th. 7th century is the real answer. In which century was Buddhism founded? 6th BC, 7th BC, 8th BC, 9th BC. 6th BC. Who built the Jantar Mantar in Delhi? Maharana Pratap, Maharana Ranjit Singh, Maharaja Jai Singh Dvitiya, second, Savai Bhan Singh. The right answer is Maharaja Jai Singh second, who made the city Jaipur. Who is the author of the book called Natya Shastra? कालिदास, भवभूति, Bharat Muni. The right answer is Bharat Muni, Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra. Who is called the father of world history? Herodotus, Aristotle. Herodotus is the right answer. What was the script of Harappan civilization? Dravidian script, abstract script, Brahma script, Kalakshar script. Abstract script B is the right answer. These all questions are already have been asked in many examinations, so that it is very important. So please pay attention upon these questions and practice more and more. This question set will be very beneficial for all kind of competitive student. So proceed. Where was Veer Shivaji born? Nashik, Panhal, Shivner Fort, Pune. Shivner Fort. C is the right answer. Who read the inscription of Ashoka for the first time? James Prinsep, Dayaram Sahni, Dalmi, Rakhaldas. James Prinsep is the right answer. A. Which inscription describes the victory of Kalinga War? 13, 12, 7, 6th. 13th. A is the right answer. Who was the ruler at the time of the 4th Buddhist Council? Ashoka. Already this question has been repeated. Before we have practiced such types of question. And the first was Kalashok. First was I already have been given you the chronology about the rulers at the time of Buddhist Council. Kalashok, uske baad after that Ashoka, and last one, fourth, is in Kundalwan. And now proceed. Next question. In which year did Muhammad Ghori defeat Prithviraj Chauhan? 1192, 1195, 1194, 1196. 1192 is the right answer. A. Who is the author of Kam Sutra? Rajshekhar, Kalhan, Vatsyayan, Shudrak. Vatsyayan is the right answer. Who was the author of the book Raj Tarangini? Kalhan, Bana Bhatt, Van Bhatt. Kalhan is the right answer for Raj Tarangini. Who is the author of the famous book called Satya Prakash? Dayanand Saraswati, Radha Krishnan, महात्मा गांधी, कलहन, दयानंद सरस्वती. Amir Khusro was the court poet of Ibrahim Lodi, Alauddin Khilji, Sikandar Lodi, Akbar. Alauddin Khilji is the right answer. When was the Gautam Buddha born? 516 BC, 563 BC, 540 BC, 545, 563 BC. When did Shak Samvat start? 78, 58, 75, 79. The first Sanvat is calendar is Vikram, and then Shak, and then Gupta. Who built the Mayur Takht? Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Shah Jahan, Babur. Shah Jahan is the right answer, C. Fahim came to India during the reign of which ruler? Samudragupta, Kanishk, Chandragupta Dvitiya, and Ashoka. Chandragupta Dvitiya. Fahim has come at the time of Chandragupta Dvitiya. During the reign of which ruler did Huno invade India? Hun. Samudragupta, Shrigupta, Skandagupta. Samudragupta, Shrigupta, Skandagupta. Skandagupta is the right answer. Hun has been attacked at the time of Skandagupta. Sarnath pillar belongs to which ruler? Chandragupta Pratham, Chandragupta first, Samudragupta, Ashok. Ashok is the real answer, right answer, C. Who is the founder of Satvahan dynasty? Pushpamitra, Kanishka, Shimuk, Harshvardhan. Simuk, Satvahan. Simuk is the right answer, C. How many places are there in Rigved? How many palace? कितने महल हैं? How many महल? मंडल, division. 8, 10, 15, 6. Right answer is 10. Which ruler of Pulkeshin II was defeated? Kanishka, Ashoka, Harshvardhan, Jahangir. Harshvardhan. Who is known as the handsome fool? Shahriyar, Humayun, Rangila, Darashikoh. Shahriyar is the handsome fool. A. Shivaji's mother name was Mumtaz Begum, Mehru Nisa, Jijabai, Putlibai. Jijabai is the right answer. In which state Somnath temple is located? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat. D. Gujarat is the right answer. Who gave the initiation of Jainism to Chandragupta Maurya? Invitation of Jainism. Kalpanath. There are some mistakes in spelling, so don't pay attention on the mistake of spelling. Just go, understand the meaning of the sentences. Sometimes you will find that there are so many mistakes in examination, and these questions has been taken from various kind of competitive exam. So such types of mistakes happened in India. Who gave the invitation of Jainism to Chandragupta Maurya? Kalpanath, Sthul Bahu, and Bhadrabahu Jivak. Bhadrabahu is the right answer. C. The first Buddhist council was held 483 BC, 383 BC, 261 BC, 540 BC. 483 BC is the right answer. Who was the founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty? Rashtrakuta dynasty. Danti Durg, Simukh, Vishnu Singh, Vijayalaya. The right answer is Danti Durg, A. Who was the Magad Empire at the time of Third Buddhist Council? Ashoka, Ghananand, Shishunaga, Chandragupta Maurya. Right answer is Ashoka. Ashoka, A. Where was the second Jain council held? Vallabhi, Gujarat, Patliputra, Rajgiri. Vallabhi is the right answer, which is associated in Gujarat. Which person is called Bismarck of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Pandit Nehru, Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel is the right answer. D. Which battle was fought on the banks of river Prusni? Battle of Buxar, Battle of Panipat, Dasraj Yudh, Dasraj War, Chandavar Battle. C. Dasraj War. It is the war associated with 10 kings. Who built the Jama Masjid of Agra? Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Jahan Ara, Roshan Ara. The right answer is Shah Jahan. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate made the first attempt to defeat South India? Sikandar Lodi, Bahlol Lodi, Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji is the right answer. C. Angkor Wat temple is located at Iran, China, Cambodia, Malaysia. Cambodia is the right answer. Angkor Wat temple. And Tirthankar is related to which religion? Tirthankar. Jain, Buddhist, Parsi, Sikh. Jain. Jain, A is the right answer. In which year did Akbar announce Mazhar? 1563, 1579, 1564, and 1578. 1579 is the right answer. Mazhar by Akbar. Who was the first Muslim to study Purans? Balban, Iltutmish, Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni is the right answer. Al-Biruni first of all studied Purans. How many Vedants are there? 6, 5, 4, 8. 6. 6 is the right answer. There are 6 Vedangas. Who was the author of Mahabharata? Valmiki, Maharshi Vedvyas, Muni Vasishtha. Maharshi Vedvyas is the right answer. B. Who is known by the name of Vishnu Gupta? Chandragupta first, Chanakya. Chanakya is also known as Vishnu Gupta and has written Economy, Arthashastra. Kautilya. When did Al-Biruni come to India? Mahmud Ghaznavi. At the time of Mahmud Ghaznavi, Iltutmish, Qutbuddin Aibak, Muhammad Gauri. When did Al-Biruni come to India? At the time of Mahmud Ghaznavi. A is the right answer. Who destroyed the Chahalgami organization? 40. Associated with 40 Amir, 40 leaders. Balban, Iltutmish, Muhammad Gauri. Balban is the right answer. Who was the first president of All India Kisan Sabha? Swami Vivekanand, Swami Sahajanand, Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Sahajanand is the right answer. In which state is the Ellora cave located? Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Maharashtra is the right answer. What is the Indus Valley civilization? Copper Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age, Stone Age. Bronze Age is the right answer, and many times this question has been asked in IAS, PCS, Group C, Army, Police, and many examinations, all kind of examination. The Dargah of Sufi Sant Salim Chishti is located at Agra, Fatehpur Sikri, Ajmer. Fatehpur Sikri. Who built Fatehpur Sikri? Jahangir, Babur, Shah Jahan, Akbar. See, Akbar is the right answer. Fatehpur Sikri. Sudarshan Lake in Junagadh was built by Humayun, Akbar, Chandragupta Maurya, Babur. Chandragupta Maurya. C is the right answer. The Pillar of Allahabad was written by Hari Sen, Pulke Sin II, Samudragupta, Ramgupta. Hari Sen has been written the Pillar of Allahabad. The founder of Ramakrishna Mission was Swami Dayanand, Ramakrishna Paramhans, Swami Vivekanand, Jyotiba Phule. स्वामी विवेकानंद रामकृष्ण परमहंस के फाउंडर हैं, फाउंडर ऑफ द रामकृष्ण मिशन. Which dynasty had a powerful navy? Gupta, Sunga, Pallava, Chola. The right answer is Chola, D. Chol dynasty. Who was the creator of present India? Jyotiba Phule, Swami Vivekanand, Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Vivekanand, B is the right answer. On which method was the Mughal army based? Raiyatwadi, Mansabdari, Mahalwadi, Zamindari. Mansabdari is the right answer. Who built the Char Minar? Quli Qutub Shah, Shah Jahan, Nizam Haidar. Quli Qutub Shah, A is the right answer. Where did Gautam Buddha died? Sarnath, Lumbini, Kushinagar. Kushinagar, C is the right answer. Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan, Sikandar Lodi, Akbar. Shah Jahan, A. Who was the originator of Gurmukhi script? Guru Angad, Guru Har Rai, Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Angad is the right answer. Where was the capital of Kalinga Mahajanpad? Ujjain, Toshali, Kannauj, Indraprasth. Toshali is the capital of Kalinga. In which language did Gautam Buddha preach? Prakrit, Sanskrit, Pali. Pali is the right answer. Whose real name was Gadadhar Chattopadhyay? Swami Vivekanand, Ramakrishna Mahans, Valmiki, Tilak. Ramakrishna Mahans. Ramakrishna Mahans. Who was the last Hindu ruler of Delhi? Hemchand Vikramaditya, Jayachand, Harshvardhan, Kanishk. Hemchand Vikramaditya, A is the right answer. Ali Akbar Khan is related to tabla, shehnai, flute, Srod. Srod, D is the right answer. When did Alexander invade India? 326 BC, 327 BC, 328 BC, 331 BC. 326 BC, A is the right answer. In which state is the Ellora cave located? Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the right answer. Already this question has been repeated. What is the Indus Valley civilization? Tash Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age, Stone Age. Bronze Age. The Dargah of Sufi Sant Salim Chishti is located at Agra, Fatehpur Sikri, Delhi, Ajmer. Fatehpur Sikri, B. Who is considered the founder of Sufi sect in India? Pir Ali, Khaja Moinuddin Chishti, Makhdoom Chishti, none. Khaja Moinuddin Chishti, B is the right answer. Iltutmish belonged to which dynasty? Sunga, Tughlaq, Slave, Maurya. Slave is the right answer, C. What is the name of the holy book of Zoroastrianism? Shrimad Bhagavad Gita, Rigved, Zend Avesta, Bible. Zend Avesta. What is the name of the place of worship of Parsi religion? Gurudwara, Fire Temple, Church. Fire Temple. They are worshipping fire. Who is the last Tirthankar of Jainism? Parsnath, Aristhnemi, Mahavir Swami, Rishabdev. Mahavir Swami, C is the right answer. Buddha's first word is called Mahabhinishkarman, Dharmachakra, change, and none. Dharmachakra Parvartan or Dharmachakra change. Right answer, B. What is the name of the oldest Puran? Vishnu Puran, Matsya Puran, Loh Puran, Garuda Puran. Matsya Puran, B is the right answer. The scholar of policy Shakyamuni, the prince of travelers, who is called? Banbhat, Huanshan, Narvardhan. Huanshan is the right answer. Scholars of policy, Shakyamuni, prince of travelers. Huanshan. Which ruler started the Silk Road? Akbar, Shah Jahan, Ashok, Kanishka. Kanishk, D is the right answer. Whose court poet was the great poet Bana Bhatt? Ban Bhatt के great poet कौन थे? Whose court poet was the great poet Ban Bhatt? Harshvardhana, Ashoka. Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan's great poet is Ban Bhatt. Who is known as Einstein of India? Kalidas, Tulsidas, Nagarjun, Kumar Gupta. Nagarjun is the right answer, C. When was the Widow Remarriage Act passed? 1855, 1856, 1858, 1859. 1856. Which was the most influential state of South India after the Mauryas? Satvahana, Pallava, Rashtkut, Shung. Satvahana. A is the right answer. Who implemented the market control system? Akbar, Balban, Qutbuddin Aibak, Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji, D is the right answer. Who is the founder of Indian Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekanand, Keshav Chand Sen, Jyotiba Phule. Keshav Chand Sen, C. Diwane Kohi Agricultural Department was established by Akbar, Babur, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Diwane Kohi. C. By whom was the jizya tax imposed for the first time? Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Qasim, Muhammad Shah. Rangila. Muhammad bin Qasim, C is the right answer. Vikram Samvat started 58 BC, 58 AD, 78 AD, 540 BC. 58 BC, A is the right answer. Vikram 58 BC and Shak 78 AD. And Gupta 319 AD. Who is the exponent of the principle of emptiness? Nagarjun, Newton, Einstein. Nagarjun. A. Who was the Kabir Das contemporary? Akbar, Babur, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi. Sikandar Lodi. C. Bhimbetka is famous for the rock painting of the caves, for the painting to dig cave, to make cave. For the rock painting of the cave. A. Where was the capital of Shivaji? Lahore, Raigarh, Amritsar, Pakistan. Raigarh. Where is Brihadeshwar temple located? Madurai, Tanjore, Udaipur, Mahabalipuram. Tanjore, Brihadeshwar temple. Who is the author of Ramcharitmanas? Valmiki, Tulsidas, Kalhan, Vishnu Sharma. Tulsidas is the right answer. Which ruler laid the foundation of the city of Delhi? Sher Shah Shuri, Shah Jahan, Anangpal Tomar. C is the right answer. Anangpal Tomar. Navratna lived in the court of which Mughal ruler? Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Akbar, C is the right answer. Who prepared the background of Bhakti movement? Nimbakacharya, Ramanujacharya, Shankaracharya, Ramdas. Ramanujacharya. Where is the tomb of the great musician Tansen located? Kabul, Lahore, Sikandra, Gwalior. Gwalior is the right answer. B. Where is Meenakshi temple located? Puri, Patna, Madurai, Varanasi. Madurai. C. What was the official language of the Mughal period? Urdu, Hindi, Persian. Persian. C is the right answer. Deen-e-Ilahi religion was started by which ruler? Akbar, Babur, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Akbar. A. With which musical instrument is Bismillah Khan related? Flute, Srod, Shehnai, Tabla. Shehnai. C. Who is the author of the book Swapnavas Vadatta? Kalhan, Vishnu Sharma, Bhas. Bhas is the right answer. C. During which ruler was the first rupee coin introduced? Shah Jahan, Sher Shah Suri, Babur, Aurangzeb. Sher Shah Suri. Rupee introduced. Gaikwad was the ruler of Vishakhapatnam, Bijnor, Surat, Baroda. Baroda, Holkar, Indore, Gaikwad Baroda, Sindhya Gwalior. Such types of question always asked in examination. So you have to remember these things, which person and which dynasty is associated with which city. Who built the Moti Masjid in Delhi's Red Fort? Shah Jahan, Babur, Akbar, Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb D. Who was the creator of Gayatri Mantra? Vishwamitra, Rishi Anjira, Ved Vyas, Valmiki. Vishwamitra is the creator of Gayatri Mantra. A. Where was the capital of Kanishka? Puruspur, Kannauj or Rajgarh? Kannauj is the right answer, is the capital of Kanishka. What is the name of main door of Qutub Minar? Alai Darwaja, Aksai Darwaja, Buland Darwaza, Siri Darwaja. Right answer is Alai Darwaza A. Who is the author of Ratnavali? Kanishka, Harshavardhan, Banbhat, Vishnu Sharma. Harshavardhan is the author of Ratnavali. He is the author of 3 books. B is the right answer. Which ruler built Mahabalipuram? Pallava, Chol, Secret, Sung. Pallav A. Where was the Sant Kabir born? Varanasi, Haridwar, Kashi, Ajmer. Near Haridwar. Actually, this question has been asked in an examination. It is actually near Varanasi. Near Varanasi. Sant Kabir born in near Varanasi. A is the right answer. This is asked. Which is the oldest peeth of Vidya? Nalanda, Takshila, Vikramashila, Ujjain. Takshila. B. What were the symbol of 1857 freedom struggle? Lotus and bread, moon star, earring and sickle, rose and bread. Lotus and bread, Kamala or roti. A is the right answer. Bukafela was the name of the horse of which ruler? Akbar, Sikandar, Muhammad Ghaznavi, Babur. Sikandar means Alexander is the right answer. B. Whose wife name was Yashodhara? Mahavir Swami, Rishabdev, Parsvanath and Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha wife name was Yashodhara. Ajmer was the capital of which ruler? Sikandar Lodi, Prithviraj Chauhan, Ibrahim Lodi. Prithviraj Chauhan. Who was the founder of Vikramshila Vishwavidyalaya? Jahangir, Kumar Gupt, Devpal, Dharmpal. Dharmpal D is the right answer. He is the founder of Pal dynasty. What was the original name of the great musician Tansen? Mahesh Das, Ramesh Chandra, Ramtanu Pandey, Gopal Das. सही आंसर है रामतनु पांडे इज द राइट आंसर. सी. हु इनिशिएटेड द फर्स्ट रेवेन्यू रिफॉर्म्स? अकबर, इल्तुतमिश, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. सी. व्हेन वाज द ट्रीटी ऑफ सलबई? 1882, 1883, 1782, 1784. 1782. C is the right answer. Who was the new guru of Sikh? Guru Nanak, Guru Tegh Bahadur. 9th Guru of Sikh, Guru Tegh Bahadur, Guru Arjan Dev. The right answer is Guru Tegh Bahadur. Who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Birbal, Jaimal or Bairam Khan. Bairam Khan is the right answer. C. What is the number of Upanishads? 106, 108, 110, 115. 108 is the right answer for Upanishad. In which university did the Chinese travellers Fahian study? Traveller Fahian came for study Nalanda, Allahabad, Delhi. Nalanda University. The battle of Kannauj was fought between which two rulers? Akbar and Sher Shah, Babur and Sher Shah, Shah Jahan and Sher Shah, Humayun and Sher Shah. Humayun and Sher Shah. D. Who was the Akbar's teacher? Mir Abdul Latif, Mir Baqi, Muhammad Ali, Mir Qasim. Mir Abdul Latif is the right answer. A. Where did Sannyasi rebellion take place? Manipur, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Bengal. Bengal. D is the right answer. Who founded Belur Math? Rabindranath Tagore, Swami Vivekanand, Dayanand Saraswati, Jyotiba Phule. Swami Vivekanand. Nag Bhatt first was the founder of which dynasty? Gurjara Parthira dynasty or Satavahan dynasty, Shunga dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Gurjar Partihara dynasty. Nagbhat first. Who built the temple of Kendariya Mahadev? King Yashovarman, Chol Gangadev, Krishna II, Krishna first. King Yashovarman, Kendariya Mahadev. Who designed the Jain temple of Dilwara? Vastupal, Anang Pal, Sumit Pal, Dharmpal. Vastupal is the right answer. A. The Konark Sun temple was built by Narsimhadev first, Pol Gangadev, Krishna Pratham first, Yashovardhana. Narsimhadev first. A. When was fire invented? Historical period, Neolithic period, Paleolithic period, none. Paleolithic period. C is the right answer. Lothal was the main port of which valley? Mohenjo-daro, Indus Valley, Kashmir Valley, Himachal. Indus Valley. Who was the imprisoned by Aurangzeb in Agra fort? Shah Jahan, Babur, Dara Shikoh, Humayun. Shah Jahan. Which Mughal ruler was coronated twice? Akbar, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, Dara Shikoh. Aurangzeb. Which Mughal ruler gave the death penalty to Guru Arjan Dev? Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, Babur, Jahangir. Jahangir is the right answer. D. Which coin was minted by Iltutmish? Brass tank, silver tank, gold tank, copper tank. Silver tank. B. Salim was the childhood name of which Mughal ruler? Babur, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. Jahangir. C is the right answer. Which Mughal ruler is known as Shah-e-Bekhabar? Bahadur Shah first, Akbar second, Aurangzeb, Babur. Bahadur Shah first. Who is the son of Aurangzeb? Where did Sher Shah Suri die? Kalinjar, Patna, Varanasi. Kalinjar. A. Who is considered to the second founder of Maratha state? Balaji Vishwanath, Shahji Bhosle. Balaji Vishwanath is the right answer. A. Who was the compiler of Adi Granth? Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Angad, Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Har Gobind. During which ruler Hurriya started the postal system in India? Sher Shah Suri, Jahangir, Akbar, Babur. Sher Shah Suri. At the time of Sher Shah Suri, postal system in India started. Hurriya. Who founded the city of Agra in 1504 AD? Shahjahan, Sikandar Lodi, Aurangzeb, Behlul Lodi. Sikandar Lodi. B. Which Mughal ruler's tomb is in the martyrdom? Akbar, Babur, Jahangir, Shahjahan. Jahangir Si. Who was the original name of Ramchandra Pandurang? Tansen, Tukaram, Tatya Tope, Shahjahan. Tatya Tope is the right answer. Which ruler is known as Ashok II? Harshvardhan, Kanishka, Samudragupta, Shrigupta. कनिष्क अशोक सेकंड कहलाता है. कनिष्क is also called Ashoka II. Which musical instrument was invented by Amir Khusro? Flute, tabla, dawn. Tabla. When did the third battle of Panipat take place? In 1761, 1526, 1556, 1768. 1761A. The first battle of Panipat 1526, second 1556, and third one is 1761. Who was the birth of modern education in India? Lord Ripon, Lord Curzon, Charles Grant, William Jones. Charles Grant credited the modern education in India. The father of English education in India is William Jones, Lord Macaulay, Ripon, Curzon. Lord Macaulay, B is the right answer. Who started subsidiary treaty in India? Canning, Freezing, Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley is the right answer. Who is the originator of Gurmukhi script? Guru Angad, Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Har Rai. Guru Angad. A. Who was the founder of Ajmer? Dharampal, Ajaypal, Surendrapal, none. Ajaypal. Ajmer, Ajaypal. Akal Takht who founded? Guru Har Gobind, Guru Gobind, Guru Angad, Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Har Gobind. A. Krishna Dev Rai was a contemporary of which ruler? Babur, Jahangir, Akbar, Humayun. Babur, Krishna Dev Rai in south. A. Who was the compiler of Adi Granth? Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Har Gobind, Guru Har Rai, Guru Nanak. Guru Arjan Dev. Which Sikh Guru established Amritsar city? Guru Ramdev, Guru Gobind, Guru Ramdas, Guru Gobind, Guru Nanak, Guru Har Rai. Guru Ramdas is the right answer. A. How many rulers ruled in the Mughal dynasty? 15, 5, 10, 8. 15. A is the right answer. Begum Akhtar is related to classical dance, flute playing, classical singer, tabla player. Classical singer. C. Mrinalini Sarbhai is related to dance, music, journalism, sports, dance. Which ruler had the highest number of mansabdars? Aurangzeb, Akbar, Shahjahan, Humayun. Aurangzeb. A is the right answer. When did Mahmud Ghaznavi attack Somnath temple? 1035, 1025, 1028, 1029. 1025. And last attack was 1027. Who formed the Ikta army? Balban, Iltutmish, Ibrahim Lodi, Behlul Lodi. Iltutmish, Ikta. Iltutmish is the right answer. B. Which city is called the Siraj of the East? Patna, Banaras, Allahabad, Jaunpur. Jaunpur is the right answer. D. The first Afghan ruler who ascended the throne of Delhi, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, Behlol Lodi. Behlol Lodi. Hampi is situated on the bank of which river? Narmada, Tapti, Krishna, Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra is the right answer. Who was the last Nawab of Awadh? Sirajuddaulah, Wajid Ali Shah, Bahadur Shah Zafar, none. Wajid Ali Shah, B. Who came to India first? Dutch, Portuguese, Mughal. Portuguese. B is the right answer. Which religion did Chandragupta Maurya embrace in his last days? Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Buddhism, Sikhism. Jainism. Buland Darwaza is located Agra, Allahabad, Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri. C is the right answer. Where was the capital of Maharana Ranjit Singh? Lahore, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Amritsar. Lahore. A is the right answer. During whose reign did the Chinese traveler Huan Seng came to India? During whose regime did the Chinese traveler Huan Seng came to India? Kanishk, Harshvardhan, Samudragupta, Prithviraj Chauhan. Harshvardhan. B is the right answer. Which society was founded by Atmaram Pandurang? Atmiya Sabha, Pratna Samaj, Brahma Samaj, Satya Sodhak Samaj. Pratna Samaj, Atmaram Pandurang. What was the original name of Birbal? Mahesh Das, Ramatanu Pandey, Gopal Das, Vishnugupta. Mahesh Das. Who is called Nana Sahab? Balaji Bajirao, Madhav Rao, Bajirao first, Balaji Vishwanath. Balaji Bajirao is the right answer. A. Which ruler spent last time in Shravanbel Gola? Ashoka, Kanishka, Chandragupta Maurya, Sirigupta. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Who accepted Jainism. Who was the exponent of Yog Darshan? Patanjali, Gautam, Kapil Muni, Rishabdev. Patanjali is the right answer. A. To which religion is the word Khalsa associated? Buddhism, Hinduism, Sikhism, Christianity. Sikhism. Who was the founder of Banaras Hindu University? Madan Mohan Malviya, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. Madan Mohan Malviya. A. Ibn Battuta came to India during Akbar, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ibn Battuta. B. Right answer. Sign currency was first introduced in India by symbolic currency. Shah Jahan, Balban, Firoz Shah, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. D. Tulsidas was a contemporary of Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Sikandar Lodi, Akbar. Akbar is the right answer. D. Buddhist education is mentioned in Quran, Bible, Tiripitaka. Tiripitaka is the right answer for Buddhist religion. When did Akbar start the Deen-e-Ilahi religion? 1582, 1584, 1588, 1592. 1582 is the right answer. What was the treaty between the British and Sirajuddaulah? Alinagar, Allahabad, Madras. Allahabad is the right answer. B. Amravati Buddhist Stup is located in which state? Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. C. Who gave the slogan of Vedas and returned? Vinoba Bhave, Mahatma Gandhi, Dayanand Saraswati, Tilak. Dayanand Saraswati. Who was the editor of Indian Mirror? Indian Mirror, or you can say दर्पण, भारत दर्पण, मित भारत दर्पण, इंडियन मिरर, डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर, ज्योतिबा फुले, केशव चंद्र सेन, तिलक. Keshav Chand Sen is the right answer, who was originator of Shuddhi movement. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Swami Shraddhanand, Dayanand Saraswati. Ajanta cave are related to which religion? Jain, Christian, Sikh, both. Who is the author of the book Mritshak Tikam? Bhas, Shudrak, Narayan Pandit. Shudrak is the right answer. B. The tax called Chauth was collected by Maratha, Mughal, Lodi, Kushan. Maratha. A is the right answer. Bindusar was the ruler of which dynasty? Kushan, Maurya dynasty, Sung, Mughal dynasty. Maurya dynasty. He was the father of Chandragupta Maurya. He was the son of Chandragupta Maurya and father of Ashoka. Kanishka was the famous ruler of which dynasty? Maurya, Kushan, Sunga, Mughal. Kushan dynasty. B. Great ruler of Kushan dynasty. During whose regime was the first Buddhist council held? Ashok, Kanishk, unknown enemy, Kalashok. Kalashok, Ashok, Kalashok, Ashok and एक बज करके 1:04 पे गड़बड़ हो गया. In which state is Ropar the site of Harappan civilization associated? Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Pakistan. Punjab is the right answer. When did the Battle of Plassey take place? 1764, 1757, 1761, 1769, 1757. Buxar, Battle of Buxar is taking place, has been taken at the time of 1764, on the date of 1764. So, who was the founder of Haryank dynasty? Haryank dynasty. Bimbisar, Shishunag, Chandragupta, first Srigupt. Bimbisar, Haryank dynasty. Where was the capital of Shursen Mahajanpada situated? Mathura, Delhi, Vaishali, Sravasti. Mathura, Shursen, Mathura. Who is the author of Panchtantra? Where not? Who is the author of Panchtantra? Jayadev, Vishnu Sharma, Kalhan, Bhas. Vishnu Sharma. Which ruler built Shiri Fort? Alauddin Khilji, Firoz Shah, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi. Alauddin Khilji. Which ruler got the Krishna temple built at Ellora? Krishna first, Raj second, Narsimha Varman first, none. Krishna first. Who was the Nagarjuna? Buddhist philosopher, Jain monk, Sufi saint, Hindu philosopher. Buddhist philosopher. Now proceed. Who was Nagarjuna? Buddhist philosopher. I will just answer now because I will have to complete in one video also. So let's proceed. Known as the Mad King. Mad King is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Where did the Aryan come from? Aryan come from Central Asia. A is the right answer. What was the original name of Sher Shah? Sher Shah Farid Khan. Who became the successor of Aurangzeb? Bahadur Shah first. Also repeated these questions. And which Sikh Guru built the Golden Temple? Guru Arjan Dev. Right philosophy, right knowledge, right conduct are the gems of which religion? Jainism. Gopat is the Brahmin text of which Veda? Atharva Ved, Gopat Atharvaved. Which was the official language of the Gupta period? Sanskrit. A is the right answer. Who gave the slogan, Swaraj is our birthright? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C is the right answer. Khurram was the childhood name of which ruler? Shah Jahan. C. When did Mahmud Ghaznavi last attack on India? 1027. The time of which Mughal ruler is called Golden Age in Hindi literature? Akbar. The regime of which ruler is called the Golden Age of the Mughal period? Shah Jahan. C. Which society is called the Brahm Samaj of the South? Ved Samaj. Which Mughal ruler is called the National Emperor? Akbar. B. Who is considered the first historical emperor? Chandragupta Maurya. B. Which Mughal ruler tried to stop the practice of sati? Akbar. A. Abdul Rahim Khan Khana was the famous court Hindi poet of Akbar. B is the right answer. Where was the great philosopher Socrates? Greece. A. Ashtadiggaj lived in the court of which ruler? Krishnadev Rai. With which religion was the word Kavivalya related? Kaivalya related. Jainism. Kaivalya, Jainism. Whose slave was Qutbuddin Aibak? Muhammad Gauri. Who is called the father of Indian awakening? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. What was the minimum age limit to join the Buddhist Sant? 15 years. Where is Akbar's tomb located? Sikandra. C. When was the Taj Mahal built? 1653. D. Who was the founder of Rashtkut dynasty? Danti Durg. A. Who was the Magad Empire at the time of Third Buddhist Council? A. Ashoka. Where was the Second Jain Council held? A. Vallabhi, Gujarat. Where was the Fourth Buddhist Council held? Kundalwan, Kashmir. Who was the ruler of Magad at the time of the Second Buddhist Council? A. Kala Shok. Ajatsatru, Kala Shok, Ashok. Ajatsatru, Kala Shok, Ashok. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? Qutbuddin Aibak. C. Iltutmish belonged to which dynasty? Slave dynasty. When was the first Buddhist council held? 483 BC. Who built Vishnupad temple? Rani Ahilya Bai. Who founded the city of Amritsar? Guru Ram Das. A is the right answer. Which Sikh Guru started the Panch Pyara system? Guru Angad. A. Which religion is Lumbini related to? Buddhism. A. Which ruler kept religion separate from the politics? Alauddin Khilji. Who wrote the history of India on the wall of cellular jail? Veer Savarkar. What was the prime minister called during the regime of Mughal Emperor Akbar? Lawyer, Vakil. Who was the devotee poet who did not oppose idol worship? Ruskan. What was the language of Sangam literature? Tamil. Forgiveness is the festival of which religion? Jainism. When did Mahmud Ghaznavi last attack on India? 1027. Who is the lead artist of producing Mayur Singhasan? Babadal Khan, Bebadal Khan, A is the right answer. Which Mughal ruler donated land to build the Golden Temple? Akbar. Where is Mughal Garden located? In Rashtrapati Bhavan. From which Upanishad is Satyamev Jayate taken? Mundakopnishad, B. Which ruler built the temple of Khajuraho? Yashovarman. Who is considered the founder of Muslim state in India? Muhammad Gauri. In which book the teaching of Buddha have been compiled? Sut-Pitak. Who started the Navroz festival? Balban. When was the Treaty of Basin signed? 1802. Who designed the Taj Mahal? Ustad Isa. Who was the religious guru of Shivaji? Guru Ram Das. Who built Agra Fort? Akbar. Who is the author of book Akbarnama? Abul Fazl, A. Who wrote the book Tughlaqnama? Abul Fazl. How many verses are there in Rig Veda? 1028. Who is the author of the book Meghdut? Kalidas. Who was the last Mughal ruler to sit on the peacock throne? Muhammad Shah Rangila. At what age did Akbar ascend the throne? 13. Who is called Mahaparinirvan in Buddhism? Death. When did Muhammad bin Qasim invade in India? 712. Where was Jesus Christ born? Jerusalem. What was the name of Aurangzeb's father? Shah Jahan. Noor Jahan was the wife of which Mughal ruler? Jahangir. Tipu Sultan was the ruler of Mysore. His father's name was Hyder Ali. Who founded the Maurya dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya. Which river is mentioned most often in Rig Veda? Indus. Tantra Mantra is mentioned in which Vedas? Atharved. When did Hijri Samvat start? 622. What metal were the Harappans unfamiliar with? Iron. A. Where do we get information about 16 Mahajanpad? Anguttar Nikaya. A. Which was the fall city of the Indus Valley civilization? Lothal. A. Waterfall. Which is the Veda of prose and poetry? Yajurved. Which river is considered holy in Rig Veda? Saraswati. Who is the main deity mentioned in Rig Veda? Indra. Who led the English army in the Battle of Plassey? Robert Clive. Which Mughal ruler was born in 1508? Humayun. When did the Kalinga war take place? Kalinga war takes place 261 BC. 261 BC. When did Aurangzeb conquer Bijapur? 1686. After which was Mughal ruler was established in India? First Battle of Panipat. Ambassador of James I, who was in the court of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, that is William Hawkins. In which inscriptions did Ashoka mention his name as Ashoka? Maski and Gurjara. Where was the capital of Awadh before Lucknow? Faizabad. Who was the first Afghan ruler? Bahlol Lodi. Which poet is called Adhikavi? Adikavi, Adikavya, Valmiki. Mitakshara is related to which method? Hindu. Mitakshara is related to Hindu. Who is considered the most controversial ruler in medieval history? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. In which style the Sangam literature was written? Poetry style. Ravi Kirti was the court poet of which ruler? Pulkeshin II. From which mine was the Kohinoor diamond found? Golconda. The first ruler of the Delhi Sultanate who made Delhi his capital, Iltutmish. Which is the oldest Brahmin text? Taittiriya Sintapat and Kaustiki. Sintapat. When did the Arab first attack in India? In 712 AD. Muhammad bin Qasim. Vinay Patak is related to which religion? Buddhist. Asht Pradhan was in the cabinet of which ruler? Shivaji. Ashtadiggaj in south. When was the Treaty of Allahabad happened? 1765. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutub Minar was built in whose memory? Bakhtiyar Kaki. Kanishk was the great ruler of which dynasty? Kushan dynasty. Who is called the hateful coward of the Mughal dynasty? Farrukh Shir. Ghirnit Kayer. Who is given the name of the second Taj Mahal? Bibi ka Maqbara. C. In which state is the statue of Gomteshwar situated? Karnataka. Who built Jama Masjid? Shah Jahan. Which dynasty issues maximum gold currency? Gupta dynasty. Vishnu Gupta was the last ruler of which dynasty? Gupta dynasty. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? Kumar Gupta. Harisen was the court poet of which ruler? Samudragupta. Which ruler died while playing Chaugan? Qutbuddin Aibak. Where did Mahavir Swami attain Nirvana? Pavapuri. Maro Firangi Ko is the statement of which great person? Mangal Pandey. Who founded the Pal dynasty? Gopal. Which Gopal and Dharmpal has been established a university. Which Mughal ruler is called illiterate emperor? Akbar. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Ibrahim Lodi. What was the first sermons of Gautam Buddha called? Dharm Chakra Parvartan. Who first used gunpowder? Babar. Who built the first tomb in India? Iltutmish. When did Vasco da Gama come to India for the second time? 1502. Who called himself the second Alexander? Alauddin Khilji. The Treaty of Rangpatnam was terminated in 1792. The book named Siu Ki was written by Huan Sang. Whose real name was Juna Khan? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Whose work is Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi? Ziauddin Barni. Who is the author of Kam Sutra? Vatsyayan. Who was the author of the book Raj Tarangini? Kalhan. Who is the author of famous book called Satyarth Prakash? Dayanand Saraswati. Amir Khusro was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji. When was Gautam Buddha born? 563 BC. When did Shak Samvat start? Shak Samvat start 78 AD. The 2.5 day long Jhopra Masjid was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. आधा दिन का 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा. Diwan Khas in Agra fort was built by Shah Jahan. Who built the Konark temple? Narsimha Dev first. Mughal dynasty who founded? Babar. Raja Ram Mohan Rai founded the Brahm Samaj in 1828. Atmiya Sabha was formed by Raja Ram Mohan Rai in 1815. Which is the oldest memory book of India? Manusmriti. In which century Sikhism was introduced? 15th century. Who became the successor of Qutbuddin? Aram Shah. Who established the 4 monasteries in India? Shankaracharya. What was the language of ruler of Chol dynasty? Tamil. Tobacco cultivation was started during the time of which Mughal ruler? Jahangir. In which period there was a religious tax? Sultanate period. Which is the oldest of the Vedas? Rig Ved. Who built Humayun tomb in Delhi? Akbar. Which Sultan built the first canals? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Who issued the first gold coin in India? Indo-Greeks. Who introduced the pure gold coins? Kushans. What is the name of religious book of the Jews? Torah. In which language did Babar write his autobiography? Babarnama. Turkish. Who is the Sikandar's guru? Aristotle. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Ibrahim Lodi. In which state is the battlefield of Plassey located? West Bengal. What is the name of the official currency of the Maurya Empire? Pund. What type of clothes did the people of Indus Valley civilization wear? Woolen and cotton. What was the oldest name of Delhi? Yoginipur. Dinepana, which ruler established his capital? Humayun. Where was the capital of Avanti Mahajanpad? Ujjain. Who is known as the father of guerrilla warfare? Shivaji. What is the symbol of Mahavir Swami? Lion. What was the symbol of Gautam Buddha? Renunciation. Horse. Who was the founder of Dev Samaj? Shri Narayan Agnihotri. What was the symbol of Jain Tirthankar? Rishabdev. Bull. What was the old name of Ujjain? Avantika. What were the ministers called during the Sangam period? Sonorous. During whose regime was the Mahabharata translated into Persian? Akbar. Which revolutionary threw the bomb on Lord Hardinge? Rash Bihari Bose. Who is the author of Takbodhni? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who is called a man of peace? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Birthday was the last. Brahmdev was the last ruler of which dynasty? Brihadarth was the last ruler of which dynasty? Maurya. Brihadarth. Hari Sen's Allahabad citation gives information about which ruler? Samudragupta. Who is known as the father of Ayurveda? Charak. Which Mughal ruler is introduced the coin named Anna? Shah Jahan. Upanishad is related to which subject? Philosophy. Where is the capital of Rashtrakoot dynasty located? Manyakhet. What is the word Purabandar used for in Rigveda? Purbandar used for in Rigveda. Indra. For Indra, Purbandar is also used. Who was the exponent of the philosophy of justice? Maharishi Gautam. Where is Dhammek Stup located? Sarnath. During whose regime did Mahatma Buddha attain Nirvana? Ajatasattu. Who was the Maratha general in the third battle of Panipat? Sadashivrao Bhau. When did the third battle of Panipat take place? 1761. Bible is the holy book of which religion? Christian. Kanchipuram was the capital of which king? Kanchipuram. Pallav. In whose court did Ashwaghosh live? Kanishka. Who is the author of Malti Madhav? Bhavbhuti. Which ruler built the iron pillar? Chandragupta II. Where was the fourth Buddhist council held? Kundalwan, Kashmir. Who was the ruler of Magad at the time of the second Buddhist council? Kala Shok. Ajatasattu, Kala Shok, Ashok, Kanishk. Now understand, Ajatasattu is the first, Kala Shok second, Ashok third, and Kanishka is the fourth ruler. And now I would like to tell you that your practice, mega practice has been finished. If you will practice this set more than 100 times, more and more time, as far as you will do, I think it is more probable that from these collected questions from various examination, more and more time these questions are repeated in examination, so that please practice more and more, and I think you will get success. You will be succeeded. So all the best. Thank you very much, and share to all your friends